Good morning, this is Josh Zell with Breakthrough Real Estate. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today's daily tidbit is exciting because it's actually starting off Partners Week. As agents, isn't it amazing how many people are either employed or participate in every transaction we make? Depending on what type of transaction it is, you have everything from escrow and title, inspectors, lenders, appraisers, you can have contractors, umpteen number of people, right? This can either be one of your greatest liabilities or it can be an asset. Now this week is going to focus on making it that awesome asset that they should be. And we're going to start off with your title partner. Your escrow, here in Arizona we have title and escrow, same company, right? Do you have a great relationship with your escrow officer? Is this person going to help you give your clients the best transaction possible? Are they going to do their best to close on time or early? Are they going to keep your clients updated? Are they going to order documents in a regular manner? Are they going to facilitate both sides to make sure everybody knows what's going on so that way when it comes to closing everything is set? Do they have that eye for the details? Are they going to help you create, and here's the main thing, when all is said and done, don't you want all of your partners to help create raving fans for clients? We have an opportunity to create a circle that is going to help the experience from the moment your clients come through your door from start to finish. Every person in the mix has a role in making it the best experience ever. We might go through it on a regular basis. How often do your clients buy homes? How many times are they going to go to a signing in their lifetime? Don't you want somebody who's going to make that a special occasion for them? That's going to help create raving fans. It's going to make you look good, make them look good, create referrals, and create the business that you want. Go out today, and if your escrow officer and your title partner isn't that, find them. You deserve it. Your clients deserve it. If your partner is that, give them a high five, take them out to lunch, do whatever you can to cultivate that relationship. In real estate, these aren't just very short-term relationships. You want to cultivate relationships for lifetimes. That's it today, guys. Have an awesome day. It's not just us. Our opportunity, personal touches or anything.